Hey everybody, today we're taking a look at this high-def button spy cam, and spoiler alert, this thing is awesome. It works great, picture quality is good, and best of all, nobody's gonna know that that button in your shirt is actually a camera. Let's get right into it. So in the box, simple components, we got our user's manual right here. They include an extra button to cover the camera in case you lose the original one, and then we got the camera itself. If we take a closer look at the camera here, you can see it looks like a button right here. Right in the center is the camera. It's a small little pinhole camera. It's pretty amazing, actually. Yeah, and then overall, if we look at the side profile, yeah, it's not thin nor thick. It's pretty small considering it's a button camera, and it's attached to a long USB-C cable right here. So Android only, you download an app, you plug it straight in, it identifies that this is plugged in, and then you're ready to start recording. So we're gonna look at that here right now. So setup is simple and straightforward. Download the app, plug the camera in, and you can see right here, it instantly recognizes it, right? You can see we've got a really good high-def image coming out of an itty-bitty teeny camera right here. So the app is real nice, right? You can open this up, and we've got some different things you can do here. So if you want to do like a live push, you could do that and stream it to some other stuff. You can hit the record button, right? It's gonna, all of this is gonna record, whether it's pictures or whatever, it's gonna go straight to the phone so you can share it to social media or wherever, however you want to do that, or you can stop the recording. You can take snapshots like this, or you can hit the button here, and then when you're done, you can go back out, right? So there are some additional options. So if you want to change the color here, right, you can zoom in, you can pinch, all of this great stuff. And then you also have, at the very top of the app, you can change the brightness with little sliders here, up and down. You can change the contrast as well, so that you can fine tune this to get the perfect picture and color profile that you want, right? You've got all of these different options right here. Very convenient, very nice. Most spy cameras don't actually offer that, so that's a nice little addition there. Looking at the sample footage of the spy cam, this thing works amazing. It has that undercover feel, and once you get this thing lined up appropriately with whatever button or shirt that you want to use, you're definitely going to have that Dateline NBC with Barbara Walters. We uncover shady sales practices. But really, low light to highlights and vice versa, the camera performs well and adjusts appropriately. It is exactly the type of footage you would expect to get from this type of camera. At the end of the day, this is a really fun and great spy camera. I highly recommend. It will not disappoint.